Kia ora guys, it's Daniel here, and in today's video we're going to be looking at how to style the bowling shirt, because it looks like the bro Charlie Sheen was ahead of his time, because the bowling shirt is in fashion and on trend for summer 2018. Alright guys, welcome back. I hope you're having a great day, dressing well, and as always getting things done. If you are new to the channel, the family, or for my guys from New Zealand, the whānau, make sure you do click that subscribe button down below. Also come chill with me on the daily by following my Instagram account, which is at I'm Daniel Simmons. Alright guys, bowling shirts. So the main place you guys have probably all seen them is worn by the bro Charlie on 2.5 Men, and other than that, at a bowling club. Alley. Strike. But now this bowling shirt style is on trend. It's been seen on the runways and just in general streetwear, and it's starting to be stocked in quite a few stores. Now me personally guys, I went out to buy 2 bowling shirts and I'm only going to be keeping one of them, so at the end in the comment section below let me know which shirt you guys actually preferred. Now my opinion on bowling shirts, now yes they are trending right now, but to be honest, you're not really missing out if you don't have one. But if you do have one and you want to know how I like to style them, this video is going to be for you. So the first one, the brand is Loom, and it's from Urban Outfitters, and it was on sale for £30. Got it in a size large, so it's just red with a small white panel and then a black panel straight down the front. And yeah guys, quite a standard piece. This one is a bit more cropped compared to the next one, and here is the next one. So this one isn't like necessarily straight up bowling shirt style, like it's not how that one is. Like the one from Loom looks like I'm actually in a team for bowling, about to do some badass tournament. This one is from Zara. It says it is a slim fit. I've got it in a large, and it's kind of still does have that style. It does have the stripes, it does have that kind of whole Charlie Sheen look to it. And yeah, so the main colors that we have in here is the green, the white, and the black, which is actually a probably now looking at it, it looks a little bit more of like no, it's definitely a black. Definitely a black. Those are the 2 styles that I'm going to be showing to you. I've got 3 looks to show you guys today. 2 of them are more on the smart casual side, where the other one is a really just casual vibe. So guys, first up, let's go into a little bit of the history of the bowling shirt. So obviously the bowling shirt is related to the sport bowling, standard, no-brainer there. But the bowling shirt actually is a specific type of style. But typically it is more of just a 2-color base, which is why I said the one from Zara isn't fully a bowling shirt, but it still has that kind of style to it compared to the one from Urban Outfitters, which is definitely the bowling shirt style. Also, a bowling shirt is typically a short sleeve shirt with a boxy type fit, and again with that kind of like 2-block color pattern, it kind of gives it that retro 50s kind of Grease era vibe. And as we all know right now, old is really in, so vintage, everything like that is in. So that is pretty much why we're also seeing bowling shirts come around and being on trend right now. And then pretty much Charlie Sheen's like the guru of bowling shirts. So instead of watching me, you guys probably just watch 2.5 Men and you'll be set, and you'll actually get a few more laughs. So guys, with all that being said, let's get into outfit number 1. So guys, in outfit number 1, we have the red one, which is the brand Loom from Urban Outfitters. Now I've just teamed this up, very basic, with a black t-shirt, which is tucked into the smart cropped pants with some white socks on feet, and then also the creamy off-white sneakers from ASOS. Now what I do really like about this outfit is, like I said, everything is just played down. There's one feature to this whole entire outfit which just draws you in, and that is the colorful bowling shirt. With this outfit, I've literally stuck to the colors that are on the top. So again, black is just my base. Then we do just tie it off right at the end with the white socks and the shoes, just to tie it back in again onto the shirt. What I do like about this outfit is a very just, like I said, it's very just chill, kind of like smart casual vibe that you can just wear during the day. Alright guys, coming into outfit number 2, and now we do have the Zara bowling shirt. Now this outfit, I've gone for a bit more of a summer vibe, pretty much stuck to the colors that are in the shirt apart from the grey pants. So on top we do have the Zara bowling shirt, which underneath I have the vintage creamy white t-shirt from ASOS. Then coming on down, we have the grey smart pants, which are from Urban Outfitters, and then finally finishing off with the Balenciaga Speedrunners on foot. Now this outfit has pretty much the same vibe as outfit number 1. It's just a little bit more colorful, a little bit of a brighter outfit, but still a bit more on that smart streetwear side of things. Personally myself, I love teaming up, like the black baseball cap with the Balenciagas on foot. I just like how it kind of balances it out to that kind of like smart casual, smart streetwear type look. Alright guys, and coming on to outfit number 3. Now let me first just say this one is a lot more of a colorful, just out there outfit. I did just want to play around with the colors quite a bit more and kind of just really put one out there that is definitely just really good for summer. So guys, coming into it, we've gone back to the red bowling shirt, which is teamed up with that kind of forest green t-shirt from ASOS underneath. So guys, the reason I've gone for the green shirt underneath is because when you actually look at the color wheel here, you actually see that the two colors are pretty much opposites. Like, I know the shades are out slightly, but they're two opposite colors, which also means they're complementary colors of each other. So that's pretty much the reason I wanted to go for this. I wanted to mix it up with colors and start playing around with that color wheel a lot more. Then when you come on down, I've got the beige Champion shorts on, and then all the way down, no show socks and the old school Vans, because you can't go wrong with old school Vans, and they just pretty much send out those summer vibes, and that is what we want. Again, with the black baseball cap and the old school Vans, I personally just feel it balances out the colors that are going on, and I think the whole outfit comes together quite well. So guys, there we have it. Those are my 3 ways that I like to style these bowling shirts. Now in the comment section below, let me know which outfit was your favorite, but also let me know which actually shirt you think I should keep, because I'm only going to keep one. So is it the green one from Zara, or is it the red one from Urban Outfitters? Let me know guys, because I do appreciate your input. Alright guys, so there we have it. That is today's video. If you did like it, make sure you give it a nice big thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you do click that subscribe button down below, because there will be a lot more fashion, lifestyle, and health and beauty videos to come. Also, come chill out with me on the daily, guys, by following my Instagram account, which is at Daniel Simmons. Finally, guys, let me know if you kind of like this new setup, like with the whole standing things. Like, I know I'm rocking in and out a bit more, but it's just because I'm not fully used to it. But me personally, I'm kind of digging the whole standing. I just feel I can get a little bit more involved with you guys. I just feel I'm, you know, whatever. Thank you guys for all the support. Smash the coming week. Keep dressing well, and I'll see you guys next time.